Why is Pi Coin's price so low, from $3 down to 0.26? The deeper reasons. In the world of cryptocurrency, Pi Coin, Pi Network, once shone like a rising star. With its unique mobile mining model and massive community base, it once surged to a peak of $3. But today, its price hovers at a low of 0.26, leaving countless holders puzzled. Why has Pi fallen so badly? Is the project failing, or is it just being misunderstood by the market? If you're asking the same question, follow my breakdown. Don't worry, this isn't just complaining, but a fact-based deep dive. Pi's low price isn't the end. It's the beginning of a build-up. As the mainnet ecosystem fully unfolds, Pi could rise again to $10, even $100. The hidden killers behind the low price. More than just market sentiment. The plunge in Pi's price may look sudden, but it actually stems from several interwoven structural factors. These aren't flaws of the project itself, but rather growing pains that weigh down its value. N1. The chronic issue of slow progress. From testnet to mainnet, Pi Network has moved painfully slowly, shattering the community's early expectations. What was thought to be a fast launch became step-by-step, draining enthusiasm and momentum. A project promising mining for everyone but dragging its feet at key moments naturally dampens community passion and price. 2. The mainnet ecosystem vacuum. Right now, Pi's mainnet is almost a shell with few real applications. Hardly any developer-built dApps are running, and on-chain activity is minimal. Without genuine demand, Pi remains more speculative than practical. By contrast, chains like Ethereum or Solana already flourish in DeFi, NFTs, and more, drawing in massive liquidity. 3. Continuous unlocking and selling pressure. As the mainnet gradually opens, huge amounts of Pi are unlocked into circulation. With little ecosystem demand to absorb them, oversupply crushes the price. Data shows over 15 million users have migrated to mainnet, yet trading activity is weak, magnifying selling pressure. Pi Coin versus meme. Coins, a different race. Altogether, comparing Pi to Dogecoin, Doge, Pepe, or SHIB is a mistake. Meme coins thrive on hype alone. No tech upgrades, no real use cases, just community emotion and viral spread. They're fireworks, bright but short-lived. Once FOMO fades, prices deflate. Pi is different. From day one, it aimed to be a mass adoption blockchain, not a meme. With over 50 million engaged users awaiting migration, its foundation dwarfs many older projects. That's why Pi must grow through tech and ecosystem, not hype. Its $3 spike was hype-driven, but without infrastructure, it couldn't last. This isn't a weakness, but Pi's uniqueness. Not a gamble, but a cornerstone for the digital economy's future. The turning point is near, a Pi miracle. Within 2 months, here's the good news. Pi's dormant phase is about to end. The mainnet protocol upgrade to version 23 is coming, unlocking major catalysts. PiDex launch, AMM integration, and a wave of hackathon-driven dApps. These aren't promises. They're imminent triggers for real demand. Ecosystem boom. DEX plus AMM means true on-chain trading. New dApps attract developers, fueling a growth flywheel. Millions will shift from mining to actual usage, ballooning demand. Community reignited. More users completing KYC and migration will revive morale. Outside users and institutional money will boost confidence further. The open mainnet threshold. Once Pi moves from walled garden to global plaza, history suggests prices could explode. From 0.26 back past $3, then aiming at $10 or even $100. According to the roadmap, all this unfolds in the next 2 months. Patience is key. Miracles often come to those who wait. To understand Pi is to embrace the future. Seen clearly, Pi's low price isn't a sign of failure, it's the inevitable prelude to growth. Unlike fleeting meme coins, Pi is quietly forging a mass crypto revolution with its deep tech and vast community. If you're a holder, don't panic. If you're new, don't miss out. Stay patient because soon we may witness Pi's transformation from the depths to the peak.